Good morning. Daily, when you look into the mirror and comb your hair, have you noticed that though you are a right handed person, your image on the mirror will comb the hair with left hand? This is because mirror changes left side to right and right side to left. This is called lateral inversion. And in this video, we will practice logical reasoning questions based on mirror images or lateral inversion. Best way to get the hang of mirror images is to write and practice mirror images of alphabets. So let's try tracing the mirror images of these alphabets first. Remember, left is right and right is left. In alphabet E, there is a vertical line on the left side and 3 flat lines open up to the right. So in the mirror image, the vertical line will be on the right corner and the 3 flat lines will open to the left side. So this is how the mirror image of E will look like. In the same manner, we can write for F as well. The vertical line will be on the other side, that is right corner, and the 2 flat lines will open towards the left. So you will draw the 2 vertical lines. Now the slanting line has to be turned sideways. So it will be like this. In the same manner for Z, let's draw the top and bottom lines and turn the slanting line the other way. All these alphabets have only straight lines. Now let's move on to alphabets which also have curved lines. In Q, there is a circle which will remain intact even if you change left to right or right to left, but this small slanting line will be pointing the other side. Now let's move on to some alphabets for which the mirror image and the alphabet will be the same. If we draw a vertical line dividing these images into left and right halves, you can see that both the left and the right halves are exactly the same. So they are symmetrical about this vertical line, and hence the mirror image will also be the same as that of the alphabet. In exams, generally we will be given a word or an image and we will be asked to find the mirror image of the word or the image from the given choices. So in the first question, let's choose the mirror image of the word apple from the 4 given options. Let's write the mirror images of the alphabets one by one. So after turning each of the characters, we get an image like this, and it's similar to option 4. But 4 is not the correct answer. Mirror turns the word as such from left to right. So we have to push the leftmost alphabet A to the right corner. So the position of the letters should also be rearranged. The leftmost A will appear on the right corner. Similarly, P followed by the image of L and then E. In options 1 and 2, can you see that the letters have been inverted upside down? In a mirror image, the image will be vertically intact. Top will remain at top and bottom will remain at bottom. The letters will never get inverted in a mirror image. So we can right away eliminate these 2 options, and the correct answer here is option 3. Let's move on to the next word. Quality is the given word and we need to choose the correct mirror image. We can right away eliminate option 3 because in option 3 the letters have been inverted upside down. It will never happen in a mirror image. Next, in option 2, we can see that the leftmost Q is again in the same leftmost position. So this can also be eliminated. In both option 1 and 4, we can see that the Q has moved to the rightmost corner. So we need to choose the correct answer between 1 and 4. Let us compare letter by letter. Mirror image of Q will be like this. It's same in both. And U will be symmetrical. When it comes to L, the mirror image will be like this. In option 1 it is correct, whereas in option 4 the letter L has not been turned sideways. So the correct answer is option 1. Alphanumeric strings like these are also asked in exams, and 4 different choices are given from which we need to pick the actual mirror image. Now first we will check if we can eliminate any of the options. Option 4, because D is the leftmost character and it appears in the leftmost position as well. So this cannot be the mirror image. Now let's try writing the mirror image of each of the characters. D, which is the same in all the 3 options. Then L, it is correct again in all the 3 options. 9 and C will be on the other side. Can you see in option 2 the C has not been turned leftways? So this can be eliminated. In option 1, 7 has not been turned to the opposite side. So option 1 can also be eliminated. So we are left with option 3. Option 3 is the correct mirror image of the given string in the question. In question number 4, we are given with an image. We'll have to choose its mirror image. This image has 2 elements. We have to turn both the elements sideways and also change its position. Here the circle is on the right side of the image, so it will appear in the leftmost side in the mirror image. So based on the position of the circle, we can eliminate option 1 and option 2 because here the circle is shown in the right corner, which is not possible. The second element is the arrow mark, which is pointing towards right. So in the mirror image, it should point towards the left. So the correct answer will be option 4 because here the arrow mark is just in the same direction as in the question. Let's move on to the next image. We have a triangle which is divided into 2 halves, left and right, and the right half has been shaded. On seeing the options 1 to 4, we can eliminate 1 and 4 because the triangle has been inverted. Remember, mirror images are vertically intact, so they are not turned upside down. So right away, eliminate option 1 and 4. In the question, the right half of the triangle has been shaded. So in the answer, that is in the mirror image, the left hand side should be shaded. In both option 2 and 3, the left half has only been shaded. So how to choose the correct option between 2 and 3? We need to check the direction in which the lines are sloping. In the question, the lines start from the middle and ascend towards the right, like this, right? This is the shading in the question. So its mirror image will have the lines starting from the middle and ascending towards the left. So the correct option here will be 2. In the next image, there are 3 different elements. One circle and a curved line and a triangle. First, let's consider the circle here. In the question, the circle appears in the bottom left corner. So in the mirror image, the circle will appear in the bottom right corner, based on which we can eliminate option 3 because the circle is in the top right corner, and also option 1 because the circle is given in the top left corner. So option 1 and 3 are right away eliminated. Now let's move on to the curved line. In the question, the line has been curved towards the right. So in the mirror image, the curved line will be facing left side. In second as well as in fourth option, the curved line is very similar to each other. So we cannot decide which is the correct answer based on this line and circle. Now closely look at the triangle, the third element. We need to turn this triangle sideways. The mirror image of the triangle alone will be like this. Hence, the correct option will be 2. Closely observe this triangle here. It's just the same as in the question. So, 4 cannot be the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct mirror image of the given question. So when you solve mirror images questions, remember that left is right and right becomes left. Vertically, the image should be intact. Do not turn the image upside down. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you liked it and meet you soon with another learning video.